Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And today guys, I'm back again with different video which I will be showing you guys how to put the text behind the object. So right now I'll be using this building and I'll be showing you how to put the text behind this building. So the first thing you have to do obviously is to insert the video that you will be using. After you inserting the video that you will be using, you can use Ctrl I to open two different tracks. I click Ctrl I twice to open two different tracks. You can also open three. Then you select the clip that you want, you drag the clip, then you go and straight put it to track number 1. And from here you can just drag the clip and put it downwards. That's exactly what I will be doing. After this, you can go straight to open other. You go straight to your text. Then from here I'll just write the text that I want it to appear. Then I can also come here, click add on timeline. Then this will be my text. Then you can just come this, drag it to the way you want it to be. Let's say I want it to be around this area. I can just come around this area, go there. I can go change like the size of my text. I'll just say right around 170. Then I want it to be bold. Then I just click OK. Then that's how my text will be like. Move it up. So but I want my text to be behind this specific building. So let me just drag it until this area. I'll be doing it let's say, let me just keep it from, let me shorten this video until like 10 seconds. I don't want it to be very long. I want this to happen for 10 seconds. So click Ctrl Shift, click S, then you just delete all the unnecessary part. So I'll be focusing only on the from 0 to 10 seconds. Then after doing this, you have to come straight to the video below. You can click Ctrl C just to copy your video. You go straight to track number 3. Then from your track number 3, click Ctrl V. So what I did, I just copied the same video, then I put it above. Then I take the same video, come put it straight to the start. So you can just close the eye for this one. Meanwhile, it's focus on the above video. You go straight to filters. From your filters, you go to add. Then you go just write claximate. Then that's a claximate file. Then you can just have to write new. Then just open claximate, then you click new. Then this will pop. Then you write it like the name of your claximate file. So I'll just name it building mask. I just write building mask. Then you just click save. Then after clicking save, you wait a little bit. Then it will change the name from there to say building mask. Then you wait a few minutes, then claximate will pop. We will have to wait for claximate to open before we go straight to the next step. Okay, when your claximate opens, this is exactly what you will see. So the first thing you have to do, just come straight to this area. It will go straight there. Then you just select all the building that you want it, like your things to be behind. So just select I'll just make a basic draft of the building. I can also just come here, click once, click once, click once. Then after this, you just double click, or you can just double click. Then you can go straight to this. Then you can double click on this just to make sure like everything here is looking good and perfect. So to see your mask, you can come straight here. You can just minus it just to make sure like all your mask is pretty good. So you can see from the top, I've been opening those things by mistake, so you can just bring them downwards like that. You're gonna have to do this until it looks exactly how you want it to be. Okay guys, after making your mask to look great, you can go again, you can put this on top. I usually like to use this kind of a color. You can come and put it on top, then you'll just come here. So this is what it does, it will just record or whatever you have been working on. So you just put it like this. So I'll just go straight to the end. That's what I like to do, just go straight to the end. Then from the end part you have to fix it again. You see, so you recover the building. So to see, you can just do it like this and try to cover your building again. Then you can go and put it back to the full color. Then you can go backwards once. So you'll have to do this until everything looks great. So you gotta move back and forth until you see everything is great. So what this actually does, it just record whatever you have been doing. So you just have to make sure everything is looking great. You see here around this area, you gotta come back again just to fix it around this area. Okay, I'm done. So basically what you do on Blacksmith, you just cover like the building that you want to see on top. So you're just telling like Blacksmith to actually like, I want this building, this area of this video to be on top. So I want each and every part of it to be on top. That's what we were doing. That's what we had to make sure everything around this building is on top. So that's what I was currently doing. Then you can just click X there and you can just save your mask. Then it will just go away from here. Then we can come back from this area. So we can want to see our video again, go to filters. This is a Blacksmith file, and this is your project. You can come to do different things. This building have to be on top. Sometimes it may vary, it may take long to reappear again, but you gotta keep on clicking different buttons. Maybe you can click reload because like the file hasn't been reloaded. So if you click reload, you want it to update like the Blacksmith file that you were doing back to Shotcut. Then click reload, then boom, that's exactly what you did. So right now the word Shotcut is behind the building. So even if we can animate the word, it will always be behind the project. If you can move it this side, you can see it's still behind the building. So that is how you guys you actually do it. Thank you so much guys. I hope to see you on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and make yourself a favor by leaving a comment. Let me know what I shall be doing in the next video. Thank you so much. To see you on the next video.